Hey everyone, let's talk about a really cool airplane, the Antonov An-225 Mriya. This isn't just any airplane, it's a marvel of modern engineering and a symbol of human ingenuity. The Antonov An-225 Mriya is a cargo aircraft that has captured the imagination of aviation enthusiasts and engineers alike. Built by the Antonov Design Bureau in Ukraine, this plane has set numerous records and continues to be a subject of fascination. Mriya means dream in Ukrainian, and this plane was definitely a dream come true. The idea behind the Mriya was to create an aircraft capable of transporting oversized cargo that no other plane could handle. It was designed during the 1980s, a time when the Soviet Union was pushing the boundaries of aerospace technology. It wasn't just a plane, it was a supergiant plane. To give you an idea of its size, the Mriya dwarfs most other aircraft. When you see it next to a regular passenger plane, the difference is staggering. It's like comparing a whale to a dolphin. Imagine a plane longer than a football field and taller than a six-story building. Its wingspan stretches over 88 meters and its length is about 84 meters. That's longer than the distance between the goalposts on a football field. And when it stands on the runway, it's as tall as a six-story building. That's how big the Mriya was. This massive size allowed it to carry incredibly large and heavy cargo. It was specifically designed to transport the Buran space shuttle, but its capabilities went far beyond that. With 6 powerful engines, it could carry more than 600 tons. These engines provided the thrust needed to lift such enormous weights into the sky. Each engine is a marvel on its own, contributing to the overall power and efficiency of the aircraft. That's like carrying 20 grown-up elephants. Just think about that for a moment. The Mriya could transport items that would be impossible for other planes to even consider. From heavy machinery to massive industrial equipment, it could handle it all. Even though it was huge, the Mriya was really graceful in the air. Watching it fly was like watching a ballet in the sky. Despite its size, it moved with an elegance that was truly mesmerizing. Taking off and landing was easy for it. The design and engineering behind the Mriya made these maneuvers look effortless. It could take off from shorter runways than you might expect for such a large aircraft, and its landing was always smooth and controlled. It was a super cool example of amazing engineering and what people can do when they put their minds to it. The Antonov An-225 Mriya stands as a testament to human creativity, determination, and the relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of what is possible. It's not just an airplane, it's a symbol of dreams turned into reality. The Mriya's story starts in the 1980s during the space race, a time when the world was captivated by the competition between superpowers. The Soviet Union and the United States were locked in a fierce battle to achieve supremacy in space exploration. Each nation was determined to outdo the other, pushing the boundaries of technology and human ingenuity. The Soviets, in particular, faced a significant challenge. They needed a way to transport their massive rockets and spaceships to various launch sites. Regular planes simply weren't big enough to handle the colossal size and weight of these spacebound giants. To solve this problem, they turned to the Antonov Design Bureau, a team renowned for their expertise in creating large aircraft. The engineers at Antonov were tasked with an extraordinary mission: to build an aircraft that could carry the heaviest and largest payloads ever conceived. The challenge was immense. They had to design and construct something truly monumental, an aircraft that would dwarf anything that had come before it. The scale of the project was unprecedented, requiring innovative solutions and cutting-edge technology. To kickstart the project, the engineers decided to use parts from another large aircraft, the An-124 Ruslan. This provided a solid foundation upon which they could build, but the new plane, the Mriya, would need to be even bigger and more powerful. The Mriya, which means dream in Ukrainian, was envisioned to be a behemoth of the skies. It would surpass the An-124 Ruslan in every aspect, from size to strength, embodying the pinnacle of Soviet aerospace engineering. The construction of the Mriya was a monumental task, fraught with challenges and obstacles. Yet the engineers at Antonov were undeterred. They embraced the challenge with determination and ingenuity, ready to create an aircraft that would make history. The Mriya was designed like no other plane. It was a marvel of engineering, a true testament to human ingenuity and ambition. When it first took to the skies, it was clear that this was not just another aircraft, it was a flying giant, a behemoth that defied the norms of aviation. It had 6 turbofan engines, and each one was a masterpiece. These engines were not just powerful, they were meticulously crafted to ensure maximum efficiency and reliability. Each engine worked in perfect harmony with the others, creating a symphony of power that propelled the Mriya through the skies. These engines gave the Mriya super strength, letting it carry incredibly heavy things. From massive pieces of industrial equipment to entire sections of buildings, the Mriya could handle it all. It was the go-to aircraft for transporting oversized cargo that no other plane could manage. The wings were another cool feature. They were swept back like a giant bird's wings, giving the Mriya its special shape. These wings were not just for show, they played a crucial role in the plane's aerodynamics, allowing it to achieve lift and maintain stability even under the heaviest loads. This design helped it stay stable and fly, which was really important for such a big plane. Stability was key, especially when carrying precious and heavy cargo across long distances. The Mriya's design ensured that it could handle turbulent weather and long flights without compromising safety. Inside, the cargo area was enormous. It could hold giant wind turbine blades or even smaller airplanes. The sheer volume of the cargo hold was staggering, making it possible to transport items that would be impossible for other aircraft. This made the Mriya an invaluable asset in various industries, from energy to aerospace. The Mriya showed how clever people can be, pushing the limits of what airplanes could do. It was a symbol of human achievement, a reminder that with enough creativity and determination, we can build machines that seem to defy the laws of nature. The Antonov An-225 Mriya was not just a plane, it was a testament to the boundless possibilities of human innovation. As soon as it flew, the Mriya became famous. It started breaking records right away. It became the heaviest airplane ever built, weighing a massive 640 tons. It also had the largest wingspan of any working airplane, stretching over 88 meters. The Mriya even set a record for carrying the heaviest single item by air, almost 190,000 kilograms. These weren't just numbers, they showed how amazing the Mriya was. People all over the world were amazed by it, feeling awe and wonder whenever it flew. Even though it was big and powerful, the Mriya was a gentle giant. It carried the Soviet Buran space shuttle on its back, but it did more than just space stuff. The Mriya became a symbol of hope, bringing help to people after disasters all over the world. It carried generators, medical supplies, and other important things to those in need. Whether it was helping after an earthquake or bringing supplies during a pandemic, the Mriya was always there to help. In 2022, something terrible happened. The world watched as the conflict in Ukraine unfolded. On February 24th, the unthinkable happened. The Antonov airport, where the Mriya was kept, was attacked. Even though Ukrainian forces tried their best, the airport was taken, and the Mriya, a symbol of hope and progress, was destroyed. This news shocked the world. It felt like we lost more than just a plane. We lost a piece of aviation history. The world was sad to lose this gentle giant, a symbol of human ambition and ingenuity. So, even after this tragedy, there is hope. People started talking about rebuilding the Mriya. Engineers and airplane fans from all over the world offered to help. The Ukrainian government promised to bring back their fallen giant, to build a new Mriya from the remains of the old one. It won't be easy, it will be very challenging. But the dream of seeing the Mriya fly again, to honor its memory and what it stood for, is very strong. It looks like the dream of the Mriya will live on. The Antonov An-225 Mriya may be gone, but we will always remember it. We'll remember it as an amazing feat of engineering, a symbol of human ambition and a sign of hope. It showed us what's possible when we dream big and try to do things we never thought we could. The Mriya story reminds us that even when things are tough, The human spirit, like the mighty Mriya, can achieve amazing things. It's a story of innovation, of helping others, and of the power of dreams. And that's a story that will inspire people for years to come.